Alright, hello everyone, this is Silent Night 5820XL, Test 9. Almost said Test 10. That's the next video. So, same panel as you can see, 5820XL, although you may notice a slight change. You notice how you don't hear the beeping anymore? That's because, if we go down to the voice panel, you will see I actually fixed it and it's no longer latched into alarm. So, let's just say, I think we're going to be doing some voice evac tests real soon, where I'm going to wire this panel back up to the voice panel. So, look forward to that. I'm thinking I'm going to do a voice setup for test 10, so we shall see. Anyway, let's go ahead and take a look at the devices we have installed today. So, if we look at pull stations, you can see on the left we have my Electro Signal Lab ESL, first generation RSGT bar, and it's the dual action variation, as you can see. First generation, it's got the spring-loaded handle on there, as well as the lift cover on there, which is pretty cool in my opinion. It pulls, the handle is almost exactly like a simplex pull station, with it being spring-loaded, and it actually resets like a 270 SPO, which is pretty interesting. On the right, as you probably saw, I just have a nice and standard Firelight BG10 dual action. You'll be seeing that in action today, of course. Going right on up to the horn strobes. On the left we have the Pyrotronics HSD24F, which is a rebranded 7001T. That's doing continuous. It's just 7001T pretty much, so you'll be hearing that good old strobe skipping today. On the right we have the Gamewell 72030, I think is the model number of that. It is a Gamewell branded 4-wire multi-candela wheel-lock NS, pretty much. As you can see, if I zoom in on that, it's on 30 candela, and it is wired as 4-wire. So, it's not doing any sync or anything, it's just wired alongside the 7001T, but it will do audible silence. Now, the reason that horn strobe is there is because there was originally a spectre alert there, as you saw in that one video that I posted, and the spectre alert behaved really weirdly. Strobe wouldn't flash quite right, and it was doing some bizarre coding, so I just swapped it out and figured I could make a video of it. So there it is. And smoke detectors, obviously we have the two addressable ones and the System Sensor 2400. I don't know if I've said this on video, but the model numbers of the two addressable detectors are SK Photo. Figured I'd mention that. So, we will get started, and for a change, we are actually going to put this panel into walk test. So we're going to turn the key, hit enter, system tests, and then we'll do walk test without reporting, and we'll go ahead and enter the programming password, which I'm not going to show. So now you can see it says walk test stopped, and if I hit enter, we'll start the walk test, and it will give us some options here. How long do we want the NAC circuits to activate? We'll just go with the 6 seconds, and walk test is in progress. And you can see we have 4 hours to complete it, which of course is plenty of time. So there's our screen, and we'll go ahead and get started with the walk test. Alright, let's start with the BG10. So, I'm just going to key activate this, or at least loosen the screw quite a bit before activating it. Just like so, and we'll pull it. And then I don't know if it's going to go off again, so I'm trying to do this kind of quick. Resetting this BG10 is kind of hard to do with one hand. There we are. So now we'll move on to the RSG pole, which I'm just going to key activate this. And there's that. Here's your screen. Now, I'm just going to silence that again. And now, we'll do this smoke detector. Just put a magnet to it. And you can see there's the activate detector. I'm going to grab a piece of wire and activate the 2400 and try to get the LED in view. It's very loud. And finally, the last detector. Okay, so stepping down from my stool, I'm going to go ahead and take this out of walk test just by hitting the back button. And just like that, we're out of the menu, and it appears our walk test is still enabled. So now we'll reset to clear that, hopefully. So now I gotta remind myself how to actually get out of walk test. Okay, so apparently I forgot that you have to hit enter. So now the walk test is stopping, and the system is resetting itself. So now we'll exit this menu, and we're reset. So now finally, we'll go ahead and just do a regular alarm. So lift this and pull. And this is also something pretty interesting. You'll notice that that strobe is doing audible silence, but you can hear the code 3 going very faintly in the background. It's like the horn is still making a little bit of noise, but you know it's not all the way on. Kind of weird. But we'll reset this pull station just by putting the screwdriver on the top and turning it. Take a look inside. RSG Incorporated, Long Beach, California. Oh. There we are. So, that is all the content I have planned for y'all today. As always, thank you for watching. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and to check out the links in my description. Thank you, and have a great day.